Hey guys, I just wanted to mention that the price for this Scuf Envision Pro controller is changing all the time, so be sure and check out the link down below in the description and see what kind of price you can get for it. All right, let's jump in. In today's video, we're taking a look at the Scuf Envision Pro wireless PC gaming controller. Now, the first thing I noticed about this controller is it does have a little bit of weight to it. It feels really nice and high quality and premium, and it doesn't feel cheap or light in any regard. Now, one thing I wanted to mention is you might notice that the layout looks similar to maybe a PlayStation or an Xbox controller, as you do have your A, B, X, Y over here on the right, and you do have your two joysticks here. However, there are quite a few differences on this Envision Pro controller. And let me show you first and foremost, one thing I love about this controller are these side buttons. These are really easy to access when your fingers are laying here. Because of where they rest, you can easily just go ahead and hit that button as you need. So that's going to give you even more functionality and more customization that you can do with those side buttons, and they are on both sides of the controller. Now, I also wanted to show you here all these function keys at the bottom here. You have access to all of those, as well as on the back here, we actually have two different sets of paddles. Now, you'll notice that they do have a good amount of grip here on the handles, but your fingers really will rest right here near the paddles, and you can easily hit either one of the paddles. And to make this controller even more comfortable, they've included different faceplates for both of these two paddles to go ahead and swap them out and customize them as needed. Now, up at the top of the controller, you'll notice that this is a USB-C, and it does come with a USB-C to USB-A cable, as well as a USB-C to USB-C adapter. Now, one thing I wanted to show you as well is we do have this little port at the bottom that's going to be for your headphones, and you can easily plug those in right there. Also included in the box is this wireless dongle if you want to go ahead and use this controller wirelessly. And if you don't like the height of the actual joysticks, you can go ahead and swap them out, as they do include taller joysticks which are interchangeable. Now, the Corsair IQ software, which you can use to customize this controller, is very easy to use but also very detailed and in-depth, and you can really customize a great deal about this controller. Guys, Scuf is known for making really high quality controllers, and the Envision Pro is no exception. I think this is a super high quality premium controller, and I've been so impressed at just how easy it is to customize, and also just how nice those extra buttons are when they rest right where your fingers lay. And for that reason, I highly recommend it. Now, make sure and check out the link down below in the description to get your hands on this product. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.